resume the recording. Okay, recording now started now. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete one more time, right? I'm going to delete what, this one also, this one also, because in the recording if not there then you people will trouble, right? So this one, right, this one only I'm going to delete now. After then what I'm going to do now, next, and so, and what is that, navigator, right? Inside the navigator, what I will open this one. Previously this one is the 3.2, right? 3.2, 3.2 was there, right? Okay, fine. Now okay, so what I will do now, just I'm updating again the project. Okay, again I'm going to explain step to step, friend, right? Step to step again I'm going to explain to you people. Please see one more time, okay na? Please see one more time, because in the recording, if you people at the time of doing the practical, if you people get the problem, then it is also right. So what is that, whenever we are deleting what, whenever we are deleting what, web.xml in the root, right? So what we are getting, we will get the error inside that pom.xml fail on missing. So for that, to removing this one, what we will do now, we will paste that tag, we will take the tag fail on missing, and we will make that fail on missing as a false inside that what, pom.xml. But still after then, after doing this one also, right, after doing this one also, what we will get, if after updation, right, after updation you will get the project error, right? Project facet error. So then you will get still here cross marks. So for that purpose you have to observe what, problem section, right? Problem section. Inside that problem section cannot change version of project facet dynamically web module, right? So how we can change it, what is that, it's need, our application need 4.0, because Tomcat 9, if anyone is installing different Tomcat, then the version will different only. But here for the Tomcat 9, Tomcat 9 4.0 is there, right? Don't worry, just observe the problem, there only you will get what, answer also, right? Here 4.0 it's asking our project, right? So to change this facet, where we will go, inside that window, show view. After then what is that, in show view navigator, right? Navigator navigator right, navigator now open now, okay now. After opening now, which one shall we will select it now, this one, org is common project facet or now open this one, right? Inside that, where we will go the gst web, there we will remove what, 4.0, 4.0 now. After doing this one, right, after doing this one, right, just cut it, everything, come to our project, right click on the project. Now Maven, update it, right? Now force okay. See, after updation, to changing that facet, here we the error is gone. Warning, don't worry about that, warning and all those things, don't bother about that. But error is gone, right? Means if we want to work on what, spring MVC Java configuration, then this much configuration we have need to do in your project, then we can able to work on that, right? So now, till now the thing is clear, friend. Use chat box, use chat box, use chat box, because I'm going to practice and do, yes. Next, only one person, right? Use another also, yeah. Continuously, okay. Please be active, right? Please be active. Only one person, if we speak, that is also not good, right? Please be active. Okay, na? So now, okay, so let's move on, and we will see that, right? We will see that, okay, na? As a practically all those things, okay? Same application I'm going to, whatever application we learn, right? Whatever application we learn in the first application, right? So those things, but here I'm going to do now what, as the what as here I'm going to give the configuration. So in the first application also, what we did, first we wrote what, this web.xml, and we configure that, this one only, right? This one, dispatcher servlet, right? Dispatcher servlet. So what we will do now, to configure this one, we will write the Java class, one Java class inside where we will write that inside this one, right click new, right? I'm giving that one, that class name is what, com dot rk dot what is that, app init, init package name, and this one is what, app init. This is the Java class, right? So but how we can make this Java class as what, configuration class? What is that? What is problem in Zoom link? I am so many time disconnect. Yes, Jagdish, actually you are not disconnecting. You know, this Zoom meeting, I'm using free Zoom meeting, right? I'm not paying any single rupee of the Zoom people. So for that, these people is giving what, 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, by default the Zoom meeting is end, then we are reconnecting, okay now? So mm, from your side there is no problem, right? So this is the Zoom problem only because I'm using free Zoom, right? License version, if I buy the license version, near about what is that, 3 to 4 thousand need, right? Three to Zoom people will take 3 to 4 thousand, okay na? So because of that I'm not using what, yes, okay, so from your side don't worry about that, right? Yes. So, Jagdish, from your side, there is no problem. Problem is from the Zoom only, right? So, if we are using the free services, so because of that we are getting, okay. So, okay, so now let's move on, okay, na? If 100 people will get no Pushpendra, if 100 people, I think free also some 40 to 50 member only can connect. If this much strength will be there, don't worry about that. I am earning that much money, I can buy 2 to 3 to helping the people, right? 2 to 3,000 is not much. Okay, we will take that time license version if the strength is increasing now, okay na? So okay na, until unless if the people is less, okay, no problem, okay na, we will use this one. If need, then we will pay it also, okay na? So okay, so let's move on, okay na? So let's move on. So but this is what Java normal application. So how we will make what, web configuration application, web configuration application? How we can make it, how we can make it, right, abstract, right, abstract, I said that, right? So this is, I wrote this class, I wrote, right, I wrote, but I want to make this one as what, web configuration. This class I want what, web.xml configuration. So which class we will extend, we have need to extend here. What is that? Extend, what is that? Abstract annotation config dispatcher servlet initializer, right? So this one, okay. So this one, whenever we will implement, I said that, right, it's having unimplemented method, right? So what is that? Alt shift s plus v. So just okay now, three method override here, overridden here, right here, three method. So come here, right, come here. What is that? Which method we will use? Class this method and this method, right? So which method we will use now? Which method we will use now? This one and this one we will use, right? This one and this one we will use, okay na? So now, okay, I will tell, okay na, each and everything I will tell the explanation, but here control. Okay na? So what we will write now here, return, we will return, what is that? Here we will return, okay na? So just here I'm returning URL pattern in the web.xml. What is that? Come to web.xml, come to the web.xml. What is that? URL pattern means this method is meaning is what? URL pattern. Get servlet mapping means URL pattern. So how we will write? So what is the return type of this method? String array, right? String array. So what we will do now? New, we will create new string array. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass that URL, right? Which URL we will pass? Come to here, slash maven slash star, right? Slash maven slash star. So what we will do now? Slash sorry, MVC slash star, right? Those things we will write in this method. Okay, so now, but here one more method is we will use it, right? So for that, what in this method, what we have need other helper classes also there, right? These helper classes, where we are writing that, come to here, right? Come to here. Where okay, come to here. Already bean class, right? Bean class, right? So bean class, for that, what is that? Application app configuration we have need, right? App configuration we have need. So let's still app configuration class is not, we did not wrote. So let's develop one app configuration class also, right? So what we will do, right click new, right click new. Now okay, so what we will do now, here I will take another package. What is that? Configuration, config, right? Config. Now what is that? App config, right? App config. Now this is our class is ready, right? Application configuration, other code we will write it. So what we will do now, we will pass this class, right? We will pass this class, but what is that? Class return type is there, right? So how we will return it now? So what is that? But this one also, which type? Array type, okay now. So what we will do now, new, what is that? Class means same class, right? Now what is that? Array inside that, this one, okay, side inside that we will pass that configuration dot class dot class, okay na. So now this is the front controller. We configure the front controller, right? Here what is that? Url pattern we given to instantiate our front controller, and here we are passing that configuration. For configuration means in the application, come to previous application direct only, right? This is the first application, right? So inside that, come here, right? Src main web and web inf, right? How many? Here this one, in the web.xml we are configuring for front controller, right? And after, then inside that bean class, right? Bean class prefix and suffix we are giving internal resource view resolver. Those internal resource view resolver we write in the web dot, in this configuration, app configuration, but it's need what? It's need in this class. And this class is nothing but what? To both are same only, but in the configuration, this is the removing, we are removing what? Web.xml configuration using this class, using this Java class, okay na. So this is the web.xml configuration in using Java. Now got the point, friend? Now got the point? Clear picture, right? Till now the clear picture. Use the chat box. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on, right? Let's move now. Your response also need, friend, okay na, because if you people not give the response, then I will think you people are not listening. Just I'm wasting my energy, okay na. So you please use the chat box, because your response only will make me to go ahead in the application, okay na. So now okay, so what is that? This is the front controller configuration, means web.xml in using what? Java. But if we want to make this Java class, we have need to extend this abstract annotation configuration dispatcher servlet initializer, right? Initializer, okay, so now the things is completed now, okay now. So come to our application, right? Come to our application, where we will go now, okay, so come to here, right? Come to src main web. Inside that, I said that will create one folder, right? Where we will store the pages, what is the folder name? I will give any you can give, but I'm giving what? Pages, right? Pages, I'm giving the folder name pages. Inside that, I'm creating one JSP page, right? I'm creating one JSP page. Now what I will do now, other JSP page, I'm taking the JSP page, right? Okay, JSP page. Now I'm creating what? Input.jsp, right? JSP. Now next, what is that? Finish. Okay, so JSP page is created, right? So now I'm deleting h and everything, okay now I'm writing I'm writing here what? First h1 what? Second application, just welcome to what? App, right? This is the, we will get the this one we will get the result, okay na. This one we will get the result, okay. So now the things is completed, okay na. So come, this is the JSP page, okay na. So but we have need to write our what? we have need to write our what view resolver also na, come to here, right? So come to here. Now I'm going to touch what configuration using what, how we are configuring in the another module, right? Those things I'm using, I'm going to use those terminology here, friend, right? So which one, prefix view resolver we have need to configure, okay na? So come to here. So what we will do now, come to configuration. What we will do now, if we want to make this class as a configuration, which annotation we will apply, at the rate configuration, right? At the rate configuration, then this class will become what, configuration class. Okay, after then we are going to use what, stereotype annotation also, right? Stereotype annotation also, which at the rate controller I will use, at the rate controller, right? That is what stereotype annotation, to how our IOC container will detect. For that, at the rate, what is that, component scan annotation is there, right? Component scan annotation is there. Inside that, what we will do now, we will give the base packages, right? com.rk, com.rk, right? rk. Okay, now after then what is that, after deleting that, we have need to use one more annotation to enable web MVC. For that, what is that, one more annotation is the at the rate enable web, enable what is that, web MVC, right? This annotation we will apply, these three annotation we will apply on this top of this class. Okay, so for that, what is that, come to here, come to in the previous application only, right? Come to in the previous application, just where the previous application is there, where go inside that this configuration. I said that this is the bean, right? Means this is the internal resource view resolver, this is what, bean, right? So how we are writing this, in the tag only, right? In this tag only, right? In this tag. So I said that, okay, come to our terminology, then you people will catch up, right? What is that, number of bean equal to, what is that, number of method in the configuration class, right? Configuration class. So how we will write, public internal resource view resolver, right? Internal resource view resolver, iv just iv. Now return, I'm returning what, return null I'm returning now. After then I will return the actual things. So after then what I will do now, what we will do now, okay, maximize it. Okay, here I will create one more time, internal resource view resolver object, right? I equal to, what is that, new internal resource view resolver, right? Internal resource view resolver. Okay, so now what is that, I dot what, set suffix, set prefix, right? Set prefix method is there. After then what is that, another one more method is there. What is that, set suffix. Okay na, suffix. I think suffix prefix, again I don't have need to explain it, right? So inside that, what we will do now, come to our application, come to our application. This one is minimize it now, where the page is there. Inside that page is, inside the page, so what is the location of that page, slash web hyphen inf, right? This folder we will give. Inside that page folder is there. So after then what we will do now, slash, right? What is the name of folder, pages, right? Pages. After then again you have to give slash, otherwise our application will not execute, but inside that pages, what is that extension name is there, which extension name with the page is there, .gsp. So what we will do now, we will put inside that JSP, right? We will put inside that JSP. After then what we will do now, to return this object, right? To we will return this object I. But still, if we want to make this method as a bean method, so what we will do now, at the rate bean annotation we will apply on the top of this one. Okay, so now all those things is completed. So shall we develop our own controller, and we will write the logic there. Same logic we will write, right? Same logic we will write. Come again here, come here, take one more package, right? Right click, new. Okay na. So what is that, com.rk, what is that, emp. Just I'm taking the package name emp, and the class name is employee, right? Now finish it. Okay, so now what we will do now, maximize it, right? After then what is that, what annotation we will apply, at the rate controller, right? At the rate controller annotation we will apply on the top of what, this class. Okay na. So after then what is that, what, which method we will call, public public model and what is that, view, right? Model and a view. Okay, now mv, just I'm taking that. Now what is that, come to here, return just null I'm returning now. After then again I'm creating the same object, right? Model m equal to what is that, a new model, right? New model. Okay, after new model, what is that, m dot, what is that, m dot, sorry, m dot set, m dot set, right? Set, what is that, view name, right? View name, what is the view name, what is the view page name, what is the view page name? Our view page name is what, input, right? So we will pass here input, input we will pass, and we will return back, right? Return just what, m, this object only. Okay, after returning that, I want to make what, I want to make this method as a get one. I want to make request as a get. So what annotation, at the rate request, sorry, request mapping, no, sorry, get mapping, get what is that, mapping, right? Get mapping, right? Inside that, what I will do now, I will pass just so, I will pass just so. Okay, so now everything is completed. Shall we run the application and we will see the result we are getting or not? Shall we move, shall we see that? Okay, so let's run the application, right? Let's run the application, okay na? And we will see that, okay na? This is the actual real-time project, right? This is the, in the company, this configuration people are using, right? If they are working on a Spring framework. Spring, if the people is using Spring MVC, this configuration is using, right? But when I will develop what, a Spring Boot application, there I will reduce this code also and this code also. Just I will write some property based on that, Spring Boot application will do all those things, okay na? So it's really need is this knowledge. Because of that, I'm delivering to you people. Please do the practical, okay na? Trust me, I'm delivering to you people good subject, okay na? To surviving the industry, not cracking the interview also, right? So okay, now run the application, new, run web server, right? Run web server now. Wait, it will show. Okay, come to browser. Now paste it, okay na? What is that, MVC slash, what is that, show method, show, so just hit it. Yeah, see, welcome to second application. We got the result or not? Using what? Using what? Java configuration. We totally configure using our application. There is no XML anywhere, right? Anywhere. So here we wrote what? Just this is our controller. This is our controller, and we wrote what? We wrote what? Using what? This is what? Our front controller. Our front controller XML configuration, right? Using Java. Here what we did now, just we configure using what, here we passed what, the application configuration, and here what we are doing, that we are passing the URL, right? But the all magic about that, this initializer class, this is what, abstract class, right? This is what, abstract class. So if we just we will write one class and we will extend that, and whatever method is there, we will override those methods inside that what in this class, and we will just write this one only. This much code we have need to write in this class. Okay na? So based on that, and this is the same only, right? This is the same only. Internal resource view resolver, right? Internal resource view resolver, and this annotation I increase, and the previous session frequently this annotation and all those things we are using now. Okay na? So you people already aware of about this class, total this class already you people aware now. Just I increase only one class, and here this in employee controller, right? So this is only the application, right? This much only the thing is there. Okay now? So now it's still now, if anybody having doubt, ask me, friend. Okay now? I will tell again. Okay now? Unmute yourself now. In this application, anybody having doubt, ask. Okay now? Because I will move to next level discussion. Okay now? Again,
No, Ravi, still no doubt.
now things is clear, right?
Yes.
So Manjulata, Padma, Nissan, Puspendra, Raj, Suraj,
Yeah, it's clear that we've understood.
the thing is clear, right? The people is making think about that how much Spring MVC is too much critical. Now the flow, based on the flow and all those things, just the first flow we have need to understand in Spring MVC. Except that, no need, I think. Okay.
Yeah, because you have gone one by one, that's why we understood easily.
Yes, yes, yes. So one.
First XML, then Java, then we got the difference and the
Mm-hmm.
clear picture.
Yes, yes, because of that. See, I said that, right? Based on my first explanation, second discussion is there. Second is discussion is there. Please listen carefully. Why I'm saying that? Because I analyze like that subject only, right? Because
Yeah, yes, sir.
now but you have to do practical and some configuration need, right? And this one, don't do practical on first application, but second application onward you people also do the practical. Okay.
Okay.
First application, yeah, right? Because to give the analysis, why to give the analysis about the servlet and web.xml, I developed yesterday what servlet application. After then, I came to what first application using what XML configuration. Then now actual picture I'm giving using whatever things is industry is using now. Okay, na? Those things I'm delivering to you people. So now step to step, see learning is first. Every time I'm saying that fundamental never change, right? So fundamental, if we know that, right, then we can understand using Java code also, right? So don't worry. Based on this one only, Spring MVC I will, when I will sorry, Spring Boot and microservices, when I will explain na, you people will catch easily. Because who is not joining the Spring MVC, sorry, Spring, right? When I will explain Spring Boot and microservices, people will come there also, the people will not understand. It's my challenge. Because whatever concept required to learn what microservices boot, those things I'm touching here, but I'm not giving that analysis. But when I will explain what microservices and Spring Boot, that time I will tell what in Spring Boot, what we in Spring, what we are doing, these things we are doing. But here just we are writing one tag, means one property tag. Based on that one, everything is happening internally. Then whoever attending now, those people will catch. Except that I will take care those people also, but this much deeply I will not. Okay now? Because everywhere I can't go that much down, right? That much down. So because Spring Boot
Mm.
means more top of the Spring, right? More top of the Spring. So I can't explain it. When I will explain with Spring Boot MVC, at the time I can't come to this much servlet level. I will take the Spring MVC one application, but I will not come to this much down. Okay, na servlet and all those things. Okay, so now, okay, so here what we are doing that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now let's move on. Still energy is there, right? You people want to listen? Still next level discussion? Shall we stop now? I have energy. I can, right? Still so many concept is there. In Spring MVC, right? Small module is not there. It will take time. So if you people losing, yes, sir, we are ready. Okay, Suraj. What about other? It's enough for today. No means what? No means what, Raj? What I can understand.
Enough for the today.
Enough for today.
Because concepts are little bit heavy, that's why we just stressed like.
Yeah.
So shall I stop the session, right? Shall I stop the
Yeah, mind get little bit stressed today.
Actually, too much application is there now.
Hey, no too much application. Same application I'm doing same. Just you theory point is too much. Okay, application is only
Okay.
two application.
2 application completed now.
Not like that, but minds like get little bit stressed.
Okay, enough, right? Like okay, health issue. Okay, friends. Okay, do one thing. Let's stop the session here only. And when we will meet next weekend, right? Next weekend we will discuss next level discussions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, because do the practical till now I will upload the video. I need because next level discussion also they are based on these videos. I mean based on these sessions. Okay na. So
Yeah, by next week we will practice this and learn the things.
I will upload this video now on the YouTube channel. Okay, please do the